Alright, now on to the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and send off the email that I just wrote on the Word document. I'm gonna send it off to my list. So if you watched in the previous video, I wrote an email that I'm gonna be sending out. So here I am. I'm logged into my autoresponder get response, which I recommended in my last video as well. So I'm logged in here. My campaign is chosen, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a newsletter. Okay, so this is if you want to broadcast something out to your list. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, I'm just waiting for the computer to load. It's a little slow right now. Okay, there you go. Okay, you can use a drag and drop email editor or HTML source editor. I go for this one right here. Drag and drop. Okay, the message name. This will only be seen by you. Okay, so this is a follow-up email I'm sending for product that I've been promoting. Subject. So this is going to be the subject line, which I've typed down here. PLR, we sell 5,000 new images. Go back to here. So everything basically is just copy and paste from here on. Okay, it's the from email address is here, so I'll go to next step. Okay, here you get to choose your template. I still use a plain text, although there are many advantages of using these templates here. But you know, this is my preference. For now, I still like to use a plain text email. Okay, just waiting for my computer. Again, it is a little slow today. Yeah, let's see what happens. Click on that. So while we're waiting for that, I'm just going to go back to my draft here, and I'm just going to copy the body of the email. Okay, so back to my autoresponder here. So now this is where you just paste the body of the email. Okay, and just wrap the long lines. Click on that. There you go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the message. So send it off to a couple of my email addresses. And you could also do a spam check on this, see if it will be marked as spam, and no, it won't. Okay, and so now I'm just going to go ahead and check my email. Just see how it looks, make sure the links are working, and just looking at it from a different view here. So let's see. We sell 5,000 new images. Every marketer and business needs graphics and images, so you don't have to try hard to sell these types of products, especially images that are royalty and copyright free. You also don't have to pretend to be an expert in your field to be able to sell these. People just want it. So if you are looking for a product to sell with ease, get the private label rights to this package. I'm going to click on it. Make sure it's the right link. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm just going to close that page, and I'm going to check my affiliate dashboard here. Make sure that it is being tracked. So the product here is a stock PLR fire sale. It's got 108 clicks, 95 visitors. So I'm just going to refresh, see if that changed. And yes, it did. So changed to 109 clicks. Make sure to use a new coupon code ACTFAST15 to get 15% off the PLR option for the next 24 hours. And there's my affiliate link again. I'm just gonna click on it, make sure it's okay. Close that, and again, just check my stats to make sure that I got registered in there, that extra click. And 109, it should be 100 and... Oh, what happened here? There you go, 110. Okay, so that seems to be working fine. And it's got my email signature there. Okay, there you go. So everything seems to be working fine. I'm going to click on the next step here. Okay, and this is where you get to choose which of your lists you want to send it to. I'm going to be sending it to most of my lists this time here, except for a few. So I'm just going to go ahead and uncheck some of them here. Okay, go to the next step here. There you go. And from here, I could schedule this email, or I could just click on send and it'll just be sent right now, which I'm going to do. Okay, and voila, I have sent it, or it should be sent off in the next few seconds. And now, from here, I sit back, spend time with my family, or do whatever I want to do, and just wait for the commissions to come in.